Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at Coastal Group's KM9 Series patio door handle. The KM9 Series represents an exemplary advancement in patio door hardware, meticulously engineered to enhance both the functionality and aesthetics appeal of your doors. Furthermore, our easy-to-operate latch system ensures seamless operation. Another noteworthy aspect of the KM9 Series is its seamless integration with the Sobinco Penta and Yale locking systems. The KM9 is part of our contemporary range of door and window hardware known as BLU, adding a touch of modern sophistication to your doors. Complementing this, our BLU suited range ensures a cohesive and stylish look throughout your home.
So here we'll quickly go over the variations of the KM9 patio handle that we offer. Firstly, we offer the KM920, which is both locking inside and outside with a thumb turn on both sides as well. Secondly, we offer the KM905, so this is blank plates on both sides. And thirdly, we offer the option of the KM950, which is the Euro cylinder cutout and the thumb turn on the inside and blank on the outside. And now we also do offer this range in our new matte black lacquered finish, which we have tested to 1,000 hours and also have completed corrosion testing as well as scratch testing.
The KM9, along with accompanying BLU products, are crafted from 316 marine grade stainless steel. Because of this, the KM9 series exemplifies durability and resilience. This premium grade material ensures resistance to corrosion, making it a particularly well suited for coastal environments. Furthermore, our commitment to quality is reinforced by the lifetime guarantee that comes with the KM9 series, with the durability tested to BS-EN 1906 and BS-8424. You can trust in the enduring durability of our product. Ready to elevate your patio doors with the KM9 series? Visit our website or contact our sales team to learn more and make your purchase. Your satisfaction is our priority, and thank you for considering Coastal Group for your door hardware needs.